Hi friends, actually I just thought of giving a small demo on the OData services in SAP. My name is Shankar Kumaran actually. The first step you need to do is like you need to go to ACGW transaction code actually in SAP system. And once you have gone into SAP system, like you just have to create an entity actually. So you need to just right click entity type and say create entity actually. And once you have created an entity, you can create a sales order, for example. Name of entity can be a sale order, for example. And within the sales order, you will have a properties and navigation properties. So you can go out and create the properties of the particular sale order. So I have taken some of the fields from the sales order actually, and I've created the particular type of the string and what is the size length of the particular fields, and this is create, update, sort, nullable, filter. So suppose this is used for, these are the fields which are used for creation, updation and so on actually, and the whenever what data service is posted or created. So the label details are semantic attributes. Just you have given the names actually. So then you need to create the entity set. Just right click and just create entity set. So you will get a drop down where you need to give the entity type name. So once you have given that, you will get the particular entity set. So you can give a name as sale order set, for example, and you can again give create, update, delete, and all these details actually. So once you have done that, you just have to go to this particular button and say generate runtime objects. So you get the runtime objects being generated. So the runtime artifacts gets generated within this particular folder where you can see the DPC extension. So the names are proposed by default by the SAP system. You can just say yes to that and it gets saved into the, you can give a local folder or you can give a TR actually. So transport request, you can store it under. So this is the MPC and DPC classes. MPC is model provider class and DPC is data provider class, and these are the extension classes actually. So model provider class, the moment you have generated the object, so you will have all the code details written actually into it. So once you